Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, early this morning we are heading toward our location, Rangautenhar, where my auntie Jum is located. As we all know, this season is a harvesting season, so my auntie are going to spend the night there in their Jum because it's very far from our village. So I'm very excited to visit this place. And you must watch till the end. It's very excited video where beautiful scenery are located. As you can check it out, my background. Oh my god, let's do it. Woo! Anale, look at this. I don't need tumjang. Here is enough. Just look at this. What a beautiful scenery we have. There the sun is rising. I guess it's 8 o'clock something. So we are heading towards Rangautenhar. It's very far. Yes, I have downloaded step tracker from Play Store. We will see how many kilometers we walk. I'm very excited to visit nature like this. You can see background. Let's go guys. See you. Mak. Meron mak. Anhoy. Look at the view guys. Wow. It's awesome. There is the road. I think we cannot zoom this one. Condition. Oh my god. I've already took out my sweater. It's very hot. We don't need tumjang. It's enough Rangautenhar. Cholo. Mak. Lon rati. Come on Mark, let's go. Cholo. Look at the view guys. Oh my god. Hi. Let's go. Oh my god, look at the scenery. Very nice. My goodness, I love this. Look at the view. Oh my goodness. This. Oh. Finally guys, we reached our destiny. You can check it out. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Along with the bridge. Oh. Paharo pe pahar nahi. So let's go guys. I'm very excited. Look at this. Look at the eco. Let me do it again. Woo! Nice. Let's do it again this side, okay? Woo! Woo-hoo! I love it. Guys, let me show you one interesting things which we used to call room. This is the place where Sikari used to wait for the animal if they came and try to eat the vegetables or the rice. This is the place. And also one thing, you can check, you can see this. Check this out, guys. Why they keep this? Because it make noise so that the animal can afraid and does not come the zoom to eat this rice or vegetable. You can check it out. When the wind blow, it used to make a sound like this. It's nice, nah. That's a good idea, though. See? Woo! It's nice. Look at this. Now I'm sitting here where the Sikari used to sit and wait for the animal. So let's try this. Oh, it's nice though. Wow. Hi, Mak Mak. Look at this. We are going to eat our breakfast at 12. Oh my god. It train has arrived. Bye yung Toro. Bye bye yung Toro. Bye bye Olay. Ikefia. Bye bye. Okay guys, now it's time to go back to our home. I'm gonna miss this place. Now it's already 3. No, not 3. It's already 2:24, so I'm heading toward our home because as you know, my auntie are going to spend the night here so that they can walk more because the distance from here to our village is very far. So they are going to spend the night here. They request me to stay the night, but I did not prepare from the home to spend the night, so I did not bring any clothes, nor I don't have the battery, even though they bring a power bank, but I don't bring the charger, so it was quite difficult for me even though I want to spend the night. And moreover, I bring a scooty, so leaving the scooty near the road is not safe, so I need to go back. We will see next time if we can spend the night. So for today's video, I would like to end up to here. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.